Day 2 to becoming unrecognizable. Now let's go get dressed. This is my outfit for today. Now let's work out and get some coffee. You got this, besties. We're gonna get ourselves a sip of water. This time around I'm wearing fajas for whenever I work out, and I feel like it is working. Like I can feel my sweat on my stomach. What I like about these fajas is that they are like calzone faja, like they're together. You can just slip it right up, and it has like a grippy thing right here where like it won't slide off. You know, like some of them will like just slide off whenever you're working out, but with this one it doesn't. I really like that feature here. Not sure if you can really see that. It like sticks to your skin. I really like that. The best part of the day. Salud. Now we're gonna read John. I'm gonna wait for you so you can go get your Bible real quick. Meanwhile, I turn on my light. We're gonna read today John 1:6 through 9. We're going to be reading the easy version on the YOUU version Bible. God sent a man to bring his message. His name was John. He came to tell people about the light. God wanted everyone to believe in the one who is the light. John himself was not that light. God sent him to tell people about the light. The true light gives light to every person. That light was now coming into the world. That's amazing.